waiting.
No, because they tell me you're not prepared still, so we're waiting. Otherwise, I'm going to start surgery for the others today.
I told him, no, but I don't know when I come there. They have to tell me, say, when you feel like this to do. But nobody went to me, I don't know, just wait. But finally, I talked with Richard. You tell me yesterday if I can add 2 or 3 days more.
Yes.
I talked with my husband, so he go ask this my job. They tell him, say no. If I don't go, maybe I lose my job. So I talked with Raja. I tell him, say after 2 months, I have 1 month's feria. If I can come some I can make now.
Okay.
And some.
Okay, good idea. Good idea. Because in that case, maybe do half of the procedure, like do the jaw, everything, leave the nose and something, come for it next time.
I will leave this nose, and when I come, I will
do the eyebrow.
Not only eyebrow. I want it possible like this thing, the
hairline
and this eyebrow. You can make together with this my nose. That's why I think.
Possible.
So now I want this everything and
jaw.
This mark. Yeah. I don't like it.
You want the mark now?
Yeah, today discuss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want the mark one, the blepharoplasty no, eyebrow no, bilateral jaw sculpting, genioplasty yes, and rib with rhino no. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3 procedures, correct?
Yeah.
And also this side fat, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
So maybe I can have dinner.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know now.
It's easy to come again.
Small now I adapt. First like hard for me, but now.
Now it's comfortable.
Small better, yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. So we can plan your surgery tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Because they have got 3 other surgeries for me today. And you have to go with the executive, and earlier we say 6 procedures, so now we have some 3 procedures, so the costing changes. So he will arrange the costing for you, and then you can talk with your husband, and then
No, I don't need
you don't need to talk. Okay, no problem, directly finish with
no
it.
problem.
Yeah, then we can do that. The surgery will do tomorrow morning, first for you.
But
9 o'clock.
You can't be like, would this my date, no problem? Because I go Wednesday, 30.
So we'll try today then. You are fasting today?
Yeah.
From
Still,
what time?
Still I didn't eat anything.
From morning?
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
Okay, we will try and do for you. I will do for you. So you talk with him and don't put any metal on your body for surgery. Remove everything and keep it safely.
But how many days I will be there? Because I didn't bring anything from everything to the hotel. So how many days I will be there?
You have to come from. You can go to the hotel now and bring everything by 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So we stay here today night after surgery. Huh?
If I need something from the hotel,
you bring everything. You close the hotel. Check out.
Okay.
If you want surgery today, you can meet Rijo. He will tell you the new payment. You talk with him, finish the payment, go to the hotel, bring your luggage and stay here. Because today you will be in the ICU after surgery. And surgery will be in the night, maybe 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Because
I have a problem about us, but the hotel, I don't know what I will tell them. I pay 15,000 because they
for the full time?
No. They tell me to pay 28,000.
For how many days? 4 days?
For 10 days.
No, why did you pay for 10 days? Now you're not going to stay there for about 5-6 days.
I don't know. I don't have any information. That's all.
I told you yesterday. Okay, that they will agree.
I will talk with them if they say, I don't know, I pay 15,000, so they tell me to. The rest too, when you got ready, you can pay, they tell me. It's 13,000.
Okay.
So if I tell them I will go to the hospital like this, I don't know. I will ask them what he will say on this.
That's okay. We have an executive who will help you with that. Don't worry. He can talk to them in the local language and explain everything to you. That's not a problem. So anyway, with regards to surgery, you are clear, right? No doubts. So we're doing here we're doing here, we're doing here, we're doing here, and we're doing here. Right?
Yeah.
Because that I don't want any, we should be in the same understanding. All right, so that I'm planning. So we will try and do today night only for you. All right? Well, look, I'll see you soon. சரி அவங்க எவ்வளோ உட்காருவீங்க நான் சொல்கிறேன்